Well, we had a couple trees here that were threatening the barn, so I had to take them down, unfortunately. I don't like cutting down live trees, but I can't have them smashing my building either. So what we're going to be doing here is I'm going to demonstrate the skidding hitch. It's on the back of the L3830, and thought I'd take you along for the ride just so you can check it out. So this is another extremely useful attachment for your tractor. I've got the pallet forks on there for moving logs, and then I've got the skidding hitch. This skidding hitch was custom made. I designed it and then had it fabricated. It's based off some other commercial skidding hitches, but I wanted to design my own. You can see it's quick attach compatible, so it hooks up to my iMatch hitch, which of course has been painted black. It's from John Deere. Kept the logo. Anyway, so also you can see it has stacked weights in there. I don't know if you can see with the light, but that gives the tractor a little counterbalance. Got a gooseneck hitch on the top if you got to move a gooseneck trailer. Has a receiver hitch there in the bottom, and pardon me, and then got this plate at the bottom. You can lower it down to the ground and winch to it. Acts as an anchor point. It's pretty stout piece of equipment. Probably weighs, I don't know, 500 pounds. So anyway, we're going to do a little log skidding here. I'm going to pull these trees that I've brought down over to the brush pile, and then we're going to take all the limbs off of them for burning, and then we're going to drag them back and process them into firewood. This is hackberry, which is really not a very desirable tree species. Of course, it makes nice habitat for birds and animals and so forth, but it's very brittle wood, and it likes to split, which is what happened there to my barn. It did have a limb that broke out and hit the barn. So here we go. Let's get the tractor fired up. I'll do some demonstration on doing some skidding. Also wanted to point out that this uses choker chains. These are special chains that I've made. You can get these hooks, and then I've got a normal hook on the other end. Of course, this chokes the log, goes around. I think I demonstrated this in another video. Goes around like that, and it stays hooked. Works really, really good. I highly recommend these if you got to skid logs. So let's get the camera set up and do a little demonstration. There's another thing the skidding hitch can do. You can pull multiple logs with it. As you can see, I've got 3 different pieces hooked on there. That one's not really a log, but you get the idea. So you can hook up multiple chains and pull multiple logs. So it's pretty handy. You can see I got a pretty good pile of brush going there. So I'll go down, delimb this stuff, and put it in the saw pile. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little demonstration. So, one thing I forgot to mention is, why do you use a skidding hitch to begin with? And the reason you use it is it holds the log up off the ground and transfers the weight of the log to the tractor tires to give you more traction. Also allows you to maneuver the log easily, because you can basically back it up or pull it like a trailer. You don't want to back it up very far, but as you can see, this log is quite long, and the whole thing is basically off the ground except for the very end of it. So it works very, very well, and like I said, it put pretty good amount of weight on those rear tractor tires to give it plenty of traction. So thanks for watching Project King videos. We appreciate your support. If you have any questions or comments, please ask below, and give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, thank you.